This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by organizing ingredients. Slice 200 g of chicken or tofu into bite-sized pieces, chop 2 cups of mixed vegetables, and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Measure 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoons salt. Preheat the Yeeps appliance to setting 7 for 3 minutes so the surface reaches optimal searing temperature. Have a bowl with 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons water ready to thicken the sauce if desired. Add 1 tablespoon oil to the preheated Yeeps and immediately add the 200 g protein in a single layer. Sear for about 3-5 minutes without overcrowding to achieve caramelization. Remove protein and increase Yeeps to high if adjustable. Toss in vegetables, stirring continuously for roughly 2 minutes to keep them crisp tender. Return protein, add minced garlic and pour in the soy sesame sauce. Stir and cook about 1 minute until sauce reduces and coats ingredients. Finish with a drizzle of 1 teaspoon sesame oil and adjust salt to 1/2 teaspoon. Once the sauce clings to the ingredients and the sesame aroma is released, remove the stir-fry from the Yeeps and transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped scallions and, if you like, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Serve over cooked rice or noodles, aiming for roughly 1.5 cups per person to balance vegetables and protein. Cool leftovers quickly, place in an airtight container, and refrigerate. Consume within 3 days. Reheat gently in the Yeeps on medium or in a skillet to preserve texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.